What if I told you that your brain makes thousands of decisions before you're even aware of them? That it quietly edits reality, predicts the future, erases memories, and even changes what you see every single day. The strangest part? You rarely notice any of it. Today we're uncovering the hidden jobs your brain performs every day, all backed by modern neuroscience. Let's begin. Secret 1. Your brain predicts the future. You probably think your eyes simply capture reality. They don't. Your brain is constantly predicting what is about to happen next. Instead of waiting for information from your eyes and ears, it builds a prediction first, then compares it with reality milliseconds later. This process helps you react incredibly fast. It's why you can catch a falling object, finish someone's sentence, or understand speech, even in a noisy room. Your brain isn't just seeing the world, it's guessing it. Most of the time, it's right. Secret 2. Your brain deletes information constantly. Think your brain stores everything. Actually, it spends much of its time deleting information. Every second, your senses receive millions of bits of data. If your brain kept all of it, you'd be overwhelmed instantly. So it filters almost everything out. You stop noticing the feeling of your clothes, the sound of your air conditioner, or even your own breathing. This process is called sensory filtering, and it's essential for attention and survival. Your brain doesn't show you everything, it only shows you what it believes matters. Secret 3. Your brain rewrites your memories. Here's something surprising. Every time you remember an event, you don't simply replay it, you rebuild it. Scientists have found that recalling a memory makes it temporarily flexible before it is stored again. That means small details can change over time. Your emotions, new experiences, and even conversations with other people can subtly reshape old memories. That's why two people can experience the exact same event and remember it very differently years later. Memory isn't a perfect recording. It's a living reconstruction. Secret 4. Your brain makes decisions before you know it. Have you ever had a gut feeling? There's a reason. Studies have shown that brain activity related to a decision can begin before a person becomes consciously aware of choosing. Your unconscious brain processes enormous amounts of information in the background. By the time you feel like you've made a decision, your brain may already have been preparing for it. This doesn't mean free will disappears. It means consciousness is only one part of a much larger decision-making system. Secret 5. Your brain creates blind spots you never see. Everyone has a blind spot in each eye, a tiny area where the optic nerve leaves the retina. There are no light-detecting cells there. Technically, part of your visual field is always missing, but you've probably never noticed. Why? Because your brain fills in the missing information automatically, using surrounding details. It literally paints over the gap, creating a seamless picture of the world. Reality often feels complete because your brain completes it for you. Secret 6. Your brain can feel pain that isn't there. Have you heard of phantom limb pain? Some people who lose an arm or a leg still feel pain, itching, or movement in the missing limb. This happens because the brain's map of the body remains active. The brain generates the sensation even without the body part. It's powerful evidence that pain is ultimately created by the brain, not by the injury alone. Secret 7. Your brain uses more energy than you think. Although the brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of your body's energy while you're awake. Even when you're resting, your brain never truly shuts down. It's maintaining memories, regulating breathing, controlling hormones, monitoring your environment, and preparing for whatever happens next. It's one of the most energy-demanding organs in the human body. Secret 8. Your brain changes itself every day. Your brain isn't fixed. It's constantly rewiring itself. This ability is called neuroplasticity. Every new skill, every language you learn, every habit you build, and every experience you have can strengthen or weaken neural connections. Your brain today is physically different from your brain a year ago. Learning literally changes its structure. Secret 9. Your brain can fool you without lying. Sometimes, your brain fills in missing details so quickly that you believe you truly saw something that never happened. This explains many optical illusions, false memories, and eyewitness mistakes. Your brain isn't trying to deceive you. It's trying to build the most useful version of reality using incomplete information. Accuracy is important, but efficiency often comes first. Secret 10. Your brain never truly rests, even when you're daydreaming, staring out a window, or doing absolutely nothing. Your brain is remarkably active. A network known as the default mode network becomes highly active during quiet moments. It helps with remembering the past, imagining the future, understanding yourself, planning, solving problems. Sometimes your greatest ideas don't appear while working, they appear when your mind finally has space to wander. Your brain performs thousands of invisible tasks every second, predicting, filtering, repairing, learning, and quietly shaping everything you experience. The reality you see isn't simply the world around you, it's the world your brain creates. And perhaps the greatest mystery isn't the universe outside us, but the 3 pounds of tissue inside our heads. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden secrets of the human brain, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which brain secret surprised you the most.